Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 5-speed hand blender. A powerful DC motor and the first ever interchangeable stainless steel bell blade assembly effortlessly blend, froth, whip, and chop everything from nuts to salsa with greater control. The splash guard increases airflow to prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend in deeper pots. And the first ever removable pan guard helps prevent scratching on cookware. Blend and store homemade baby food purees in the included 1-liter BPA-free pitcher with no splash lid. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hi, I'm Kate from OXO, and I'm here to show you how to make soups, sauces, smoothies, and more using our illuminating digital immersion blender.
We designed the blender with convenience in mind, so the shaft and the body can be attached in any position, and there's no need to worry about alignment. Once plugged in, the soft glow LED headlight will be dimly lit for safety to let you know the blender is on. A simple twist of the dial lets you smoothly transition between 6 speeds, which are displayed clearly via backlit LED technology. Start or stop blending with complete control by pressing the wide, soft touch power button, and the soft, comfortable handle is non-slip. As you blend, the LED headlight will come to full brightness so you can monitor consistency. This is particularly helpful in a taller pot or if you are blending without direct lighting above you. The powerful motor is designed to attract food to the blades without creating too much suction, so you don't have to worry about accidentally lifting the pot as you blend. The heat-resistant nylon head won't scratch non-stick or other delicate surfaces, and the silicone-coated stainless steel shaft won't ding cookware edges when tapping off excess food. When you're finished blending, simply push the release button to remove the shaft and rinse it with warm, soapy water. For easy compact storage, wrap the cord around the body and secure it with the cord clip. Love smoothies? We've included a durable BPA-free plastic beaker for measuring and blending up to 3 cups. The beaker also comes with a silicone lid so you can store what you blend for later.
Whatever you're creating, the OXO On illuminating digital immersion blender will help light the way through all your cooking adventures.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-speed handheld blender. There's so many creative things that you can do with your handheld blender. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful dressing for Caesar dressing for your salad. But you can also do smoothies, you can also do sauces and soups, and you can take this right to your pot or pan and blend right in the pot or pan soups or sauces like I mentioned. The other thing is you can mix items right in your blending cup, which is what we're going to do today. It takes up to 2 cups of liquid or 16 ounces, and then on this side it also has milliliter markings, so it takes up to 500 milliliters. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, so if you have anything that you have a sauce that you blend and you want to heat it up a little bit, you can do that. It goes right in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This is your actual handheld blender unit. You remove the shaft portion, which separates from here, by pressing this little button and pulling it apart like so. The nice thing about this is it's made out of stainless steel. It can go right into the dishwasher, or I actually prefer to rinse it in the sink. I just put it right under the faucet and rinse it that way, or you can stick it right in the silver or flatware holder in your dishwasher. That's what I like to do. That way it stands straight up and also no fingers can get near it. So the other thing that's really nice about this too, I'm just going to put this back on by just attaching it. You don't have to do anything. It's really simple and easy. The other nice thing about this is that it has 2 speeds, like I mentioned, low and high. You engage the speed of your choice first, and then you press the unlock button on the top, like so. So that's your unlock button. The minute that you release your finger, I'm just going to press this and go like that. The minute you release your finger, the unit automatically stops. The other thing about this too, as I mentioned, the shaft here is stainless steel. It has these little slots and these little, I guess you call them almost like little mountains. That actually is what helps the food go into the blade, and it comes out this slot and it circulates that way. That's how it mixes, and I'll show you in a few minutes. The other thing to remember too is you should always have this blade guard part below the surface of whatever you're blending, because if you lift it above it, you'll make quite a bit of a mess on your counter. So let's get started. Oh, one of the things I forgot to mention, this is 200 watts. It's 2 speeds, and there's lots of great things that you can do. You can make mixtures for omelets, you can make smoothies, you can make sauces and soups, you can make homemade mayonnaise, which is really great. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a dressing for our salad, and it happens to be Caesar. So the first thing we're going to put in is our Parmesan cheese. Then the next item is, these are 4 pieces of roasted garlic. And the nice thing about using roasted garlic is it gives you a nice kind of smooth and sweet flavor instead of a harsh garlic taste. The next item is the lemon juice. Just put that right in. We're going to add, this is red wine vinegar. Just wanted to smell it to make sure that's what it was. You're going to add, I'm going to smooth this over here, one egg yolk. I'm going to put in the mustard. This happens to be whole grain mustard. This is anchovy paste. If you don't have whole anchovies, this is a nice alternative. This is Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, and the last item is Tabasco. That's going to give it just a tiny little bit of Tabasco, give it a nice little kick. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the handheld blender in, we're going to turn it on high, and we're going to blend it for about 40 seconds. Going to knock that off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into one of my little bowls here so I don't make a mess on the counter. Take this apart. The other thing that's nice too is if you make dressing like this and you have a little bit extra, you could just cover this with any type of plastic film wrap and you can store it right in the refrigerator. That was so simple and easy to do, and it smells great. Plus, the nice thing about making all of your own homemade dressings is that there are no preservatives in it. You know exactly what ingredients you are putting into your recipes, and it tastes so much more delicious and fresh. So there you have it, a beautiful Caesar salad using your handheld Cuisinart blender.
Hand mixers are versatile kitchen tools, but they can be sometimes clumsy and awkward to use. Well, not anymore. Introducing the Breville Control Grip with its ergonomically designed handle. It has a unique grip that's similar to a gun. 3 fingers sit below the trigger and the index finger can fully extend around for greater stability and comfort. The versatility of this stick mixer makes the Control Grip a handy kitchen tool for small quick jobs. It has a stainless steel blending shaft, chopper bowl and whisk attachment to tackle any kitchen task. Use it to make velvety soups, thick mayonnaise, fluffy whipped creams or chunky pesto and salsas. The blending shaft is ideal for milkshakes, smoothies, cocktails, soups, dips and baby food. The oval-shaped base blade has 2 inner ribs that create more turbulence so that food actually folds onto the blades for more thorough blending. And that means you don't have to move it up and down to try and catch the food. And you'll also notice that there's no more suction to the bottom like other hand blenders, and it means it's a lot easier to operate. The stick mixer is long enough so you can puree food directly into a tall pot, and that means you don't have to transfer hot liquid to a blender, and you'll make less mess in the kitchen. And because the stainless steel shaft has a soft base, it won't scratch a non-stick pot. The chopper bowl is not only ideal for chopping onions or fresh herbs, it's also great for meats, nuts, cheese, ice, crumbling cookies for cheesecake bases, or even breadcrumbs. To use, place the ingredients inside the bowl, and here we have some guacamole. All the ingredients should be cut into the same size, but don't go over the max line, and then place the lid on. And I like to place the chopper bowl inside the jug because you can hold the handle while chopping for more control. And it's a neater way to store it too. You only need to push the trigger a few times to chop your food evenly, so be careful not to over-process and check it as you're chopping. The whisk attachment can be used for cream, egg whites or light batters. Just click it into place, gently turn up the speed to the highest 15 and then gently raise and lower the whisk until lovely peaks are formed, but try not to hit the edges. To clean, just wipe down your trigger motor with a damp cloth, and all the parts are top shelf dishwasher safe except for the chopper blade. The control grip, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.